In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily summarize your conversations in Microsoft Copilot. Now, once you open up Copilot, yours may look just like this. And you can easily find your sidebar in the upper left, and these are your conversations. Now, if you click the three dots, you don't have the option to summarize a conversation from here, but in this home page right here, whether or not your sidebar is open or not, you will find your conversations here as well. And within this section, you can easily summarize your conversations by clicking the three dots from here, and you get a summarize button. So I'm going to go ahead and summarize, for example, this one right here. So I'm going to click summarize, and you will see that it pops me right in and it gives me the option here, summarize conversation. So what it does is actually open up that conversation and type the word summarize or type the command summarize this conversation. And all you have to do is hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to summarize the entire conversation for you with bullet points or in different ways how it can. And that's it. So that's how easy it is to summarize your conversations in Microsoft Copilot.